Hi, I'm Stephen Terry from the Hardwich, and today I am just going to show you simply how to cook a beautiful Welsh sirloin steak. These are two beautiful Welsh black sirloins from the Brecon Beacons, and I'm going to show you just how I cook a steak. Look, there's 101 ways you can cook a steak. This is how I choose to do it. I wanted to choose something that this appeals to most people cooking a steak. Now, it's one of the things you can get readily available in your local butchers and supermarkets, and it's also one of the most popular things when people go out to eat. So normally you expect people to order things that they can't get regularly, but I think it's the way that they're cooked in a restaurant. Sometimes they're flame grilled, char grilled. I'm just going to simply cook them. This is at home, cooking them in some olive oil, finishing with some butter. No bells or whistles. So go on a pan, nice and hot. I'm going to use some olive oil. You could use rapeseed oil, you could use vegetable oil. I've got a little bit of olive oil because actually, do you know what? We've got cold pressed rapeseed oil. No, I'm going to stick with the olive oil. I like a bit of olive oil. So what I'm going to do with these steaks, a little bit of olive oil to the pan. I'm not seasoning the steaks before I cook them. I do not like seasoning steaks before any meat before I cook it. I just think it scorches. The pepper and the salt burns on the steak. So I'm just going to place these steaks down I want to get a good colour on them. Like so. I'm going to cook these pink. Now that's not quite medium rare, that's a little bit over medium rare. I like my beef cooked just the other side of medium rare going towards medium. Almost halfway between medium rare and medium. That's a personal preference. Hey, if you like it cooked well done, have it well done. Ultimately, the flavour in this Welsh beef is just incredible. So even if you like it well done, I mean it's not as juicy, but the flavour's still there. But maybe cook it slowly and do it well done slowly, opposed to getting too much char on the outside and having to get it just drier to get into the middle. And the depth of flavour and the texture is just second to none. Personally, when I've only lived in Wales for 20 years, and I consider myself to be an honorary Welshman, but there's no bigger advocate of Welsh beef than there is than myself. Now I'm going to turn these steaks over. Ooh la la, look at that caramelisation. That is amazing. Now when it gets to that stage, now I don't mind throwing a bit of seasoning. That salt will melt onto the surface of the beef. Got a bit of butter. Going to rub the top of the steak with a little bit of butter. I think it's much nicer to slice a steak. Absolutely fabulous. Very simple, very affordable. Treat yourself. Some amazing, beautiful Welsh sirloin, or any Welsh beef for that matter. Bon appetit.